Hey everybody, so 5 Minute Crafts has recently hit 50 million subscribers, so we're gonna go through and see what the 50 million play button could look like. So you all know about the silver play button, 100,000 subs, the gold play button, 4 million subs, and for people who are absolutely killing it, 10 million subs for the diamond play button. But 5 Minute Crafts just hit 50 million, so we're all thinking he could get a custom, or she could get a custom play button, like PewDiePie got the ruby play button, the blowfist, and T3's got this ugly diamond thing with the logo in it. Ugly. But we're thinking about what it could be. So let's look at the logo. Okay. So here's the thing I thought it could be. Amazing. It's amazing. That's the logo. Just admire it. I'm not changing it, guys. YouTube. This is 5 Minute Crafts. That was your play button.